Hello, my name is Saket and welcome back if you watched my first video because this video is related to that, and in this video I'm going to explain the mechanism, a hypothetical mechanism of how black holes work. Alright? Like I said in my previous video, imagine this universe having a universal medium, and let's take that particle of that medium for temporary purposes as a photon. Okay, imagine this universe filled with photons. And like I said, light is just a wave. Watch my first video for a better understanding of this video. As I stated in my previous video, consider a black hole to be a pressure bridge, alright? It just connects two parts of the universe. Part number one, completely empty of photons or that particle making up that medium, and part number two, filled with photons, alright? And we live in part number two, right? And just like how nature hates gradients, the same old mechanism of pressure works here too. Since part number two has excess of photons, they tend to move towards part number one, replacing that empty space. All right. And as we all know what a black hole is, it's just a bridge sucking out photons. And since photons are being sucked out, light, which is a wave in photons, also has to be sucked out because for example, take a balloon filled with water and put some other stuff like dirt into that balloon as well, and that dirt represents celestial bodies, all right, and that water represents the universal medium, all right, balloon filled with water and some dirt. Okay, so if you squeeze the balloon once it's completely filled with water, of course what happens? Water comes out, and along with it, dirt comes out. Alright? So what I mean to say here is balloon is the universe completely filled with photons, and the surroundings are the remaining part of the universe completely void of photons. And the tip of that balloon, the part where the balloon and the surroundings meet, take that as a black hole. Alright, and while water is flowing out, dirt also flows out with the water, and that's the reason some objects disappear when they go into the black hole, because they go into the other part of the universe where photons are completely void. Alright, just to have the tip of the balloon is the bridge between the surroundings and the balloon, a black hole is a bridge between a universe completely filled with photons and a universe completely empty of photons. Alright, it's just a pressure bridge. The reason why light can't escape black holes is because light is a wave and needs a medium to travel, and as we took that medium as photons, and photons are currently being sucked by black holes, they have no medium to travel into, alright? So along with the medium, they too get sucked into the black hole. And in the process of being sucked, they might emerge as new waves, new radiations on the other side of the black hole, and we might call that other side of the black hole as a white hole. Take this drawing for example. Here is the black hole, here is the other side of the black hole, i.e. the white hole. This part doesn't have any photons, and this part, the universe where we live in, has any photons. And by any photons, I mean the universal medium. And since, just like any pressure, these particles, the universal medium tries to move through this tunnel and emerges out of the white hole. Alright, and since light is just a wave in this universal medium, when the medium is being sucked in, the wave also has to be sucked in. Alright? And here I would like to conclude that taking the concept of universal medium, we have somewhat solved the phenomena of black holes. Thank you.